Hi, this is Dr. Ramp here at Revive Injury and Wellness. Today I wanted to give you guys just a quick peek at the cold laser, which is one of the modalities we offer here at Revive. You can see Dr. Anderson is having some laser applied to her neck by our lovely CA Lauren. And this is a modality, it just helps with inflammation and bringing new cells and blood flow to injured areas, helps with healing time, and can help with all sorts of different injuries that you may have. If you have questions about this modality, let us know next time you're here.
Welcome to Revive Injury and Wellness in West Linn, Oregon. Our experienced team of chiropractors and massage therapist wellness professionals provide the best possible chiropractic care, laser therapy, and massage therapy to patients living with back pain, neck pain, headaches, and a variety of chronic pain conditions. At Revive Injury and Wellness, we utilize gentle chiropractic techniques, massage therapy, rehabilitative exercises, nutritional supplementation, and cold laser therapy to help you recover from back pain, neck pain, chronic pain, or injury from a workplace or auto accident. Our chiropractors and wellness team focus on the cause of your pain, not just the symptom, to help you lead a happier, healthier, pain-free life. We are here for you if you are in search of a chiropractor or accident and injury pain specialist in West Linn, Oregon, in Southeast Portland. Serving the communities of West Linn, Gladstone, Oregon City, Tualatin, Milwaukee, Wilsonville, Beaver Creek, Canby, Molalla, Mulino, Clackamas, Willamette, Lake Oswego, and Happy Valley, Oregon in Clackamas County. Give us a call at 503-344-4378 and be sure to ask about our new patient special offer or visit our website at reviveinjury.com.